So today for supper I'm making Caprese chicken. I'm just putting some olive oil in the pan, letting that get all over. And then I'm taking my frozen skinless chicken breast, they're previously frozen, but frosted, in there. And my family loves this at this time of year when tomatoes are plentiful and we're just bursting at the seams with tomatoes from the garden. I'm just going to go wash my hands. And then you take tomatoes and you slice them. I just washed them and took the core out. These are fresh from the garden. As you can tell, they're not perfect tomatoes. Nope. And then on these chicken, I'm going to sprinkle some garlic powder and a bit of steak spice, just because it has salt and pepper all together. And then I drizzle balsamic vinegar. I get the cheapest one I can find. This is usually about $2 a bottle. And pour it over. And then have some basil I took from the garden that's now dried. Make sure everything has some basil. And then we put the tomato slices throughout. Now if you have fresh buffalo mozzarella, you can put that in here, but I don't. I just use the block of mozzarella and put that on top and put it in the oven. You can do it with whatever tomatoes you have. You can do it with canned tomatoes too, but fresh is super yummy. There we go. And then I just chopped about half a block of mozzarella, so about 200 grams of mozzarella. And then I'm going to put that in the oven at 350 for, say, 20 minutes or so until the chicken's done. I'll show it to you afterwards. And here is the Caprese chicken all done. Might drizzle it with a little more balsamic vinegar on individual plates. We have a balsamic vinegar glaze that we got from Costco. And that's about it. Gonna serve that with coleslaw.